coverage of UAAP Season 75. Right now, we are featuring game number 1 of the men's volleyball finals between FEU and National University. FEU came out hot, led by as many as 11, and used a balanced attack to beat NU in that first set, 25-16.
Well, NU needs to push a little bit more here in the second set because we saw how they managed to minimize the gap in terms of points against FEU, but it was rather too late.
Nasaan ang anak mo dyan?
FEU really being steady throughout the first set. Ang sayang lang din sa NU wasn't able to take advantage.
Saan si Berlin, no?
UAAP Season 75 and
Yung magaling. Wala naman ah. 14.
the defending champions, FEU.
Imagine niya ata sa Asterita. Tignan mo mamaya si Berlin. Ayun. Shoot! Ay,
NU was off to a good start here in the second set. We mentioned how they were going more to their middle attack.
Ay, ayun pala.
But the problems that they had with the reception, made it a lot more difficult for them.
yung dilawang ano niya.
Scoring the points.
Yung puti.
Avila very, very well in the second set, scoring a lot of points also for NU.
And FEU
Ayun. Uy, galing.
more confident.
Galing naman ang nano. Eh, mamalang ba?
Coaching staff of FEU.
Ganado.
Coach George Pascual
Very relaxed because they're up to done.
Nagbabalik po ang UAAP Season 75 men's volleyball finals. Game number 1.
Linlin, excuse me please. Record. Ay, nanonood din. Idol ni ano.
Took the first 2 sets, but couldn't finish off the Bulldogs in set number 3 as they came alive, beating FEU in dominating fashion 25-13.
18.
Well, in that set, we mentioned this as we're covering the third set. NU really maximized the middle attack. So that was pretty much absent in the first set. It really worked for them here in the third set. No answer. We saw no answer there coming from the side of FEU.
So let's see if FEU can make the
Galing naman.
adjustment.
Parang yung anak ko lang eh. Nakaswerte ka din ano.
Game number 1 of the
Kapaswerte ka rin sa anak mo
finals
ah.
of UAAP Season 75. And after FEU took the first 2 sets, it came alive, taking sets number 3 and 4 to force a deciding.
This is going to be very interesting. We expected that this game won't last, won't just be 3 sets, but extending it to 5. We mentioned earlier, 4 sets na yung nilaro nitong dalawang teams na to. Now, this makes things more interesting for both these squads. Now, what really worked for NU in the last 2 sets that they played was their blocking and their middle hit. They were consistent from the start until the very end.
Now both these teams will head a 5-set match. They have not battled each other in that type of a contest so far in Season 75, but they have figured